Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Based on the request of how to create a PayPal account in my last video, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create a PayPal account without any form of deceit or lies. I will show you exactly 2 ways you can create a PayPal account, a working PayPal account. It's a different thing to create a PayPal account and to be working, and it's another issue to be able to withdraw from that PayPal account. People will not tell you this, but PayPal can actually bound your account even after successfully creating a PayPal account if you are not in a supported country. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. If you're seeing for the first time, give you a warm welcome. What we do on this channel is talk on how to make money online and offline business ideas and tips. If that is what you are interested in, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright, now let's dive into today's video. So all you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser and type in, or your Google browser, type in PayPal sign up for PayPal personal or business account. So as for Nigerian, I'm going to be recommending you open a business account, which is access more forms of payment so you don't miss a sale, easily integrate with the tools you use to run your business, sell surely with a brand customer trust, and then you click on get started. Now let's create your account. Whether you are a business, non-profitable, a casual seller, you are in the right place. So now all you need to do is to enter your first name, last name, email address, password. Do not make a mistake of inputting maybe you've used an email address before in creating a PayPal account. Do not reuse the email address. Okay, then enter a password. Make sure that you enter 8 to 20, between 8 to 20 characters, uppercase and lowercase letter. Enter at least one number or symbol. Then you click on create. Let me just log in and email address. I already have all these email accounts, like I already have an account on it, but let me just try it out. Then you click on agree and create account. Okay, activate your account to start using PayPal. We will guide every step of the way. Enter info about your business or organization, share some personal info. Let's go. You can actually skip for now, but let's go. So now if you want to choose this one, a sole proprietor, single owner, or you sell on the side, so you can click on this one, and so you just click on next and use password. So now you put in your street address. This is very, very important. This is going to be getting issues, like it starts from here. When they ask you for your street address, for this one, let me put Nigeria's street address. Okay, Nigeria is not among the states that is there. So Nigeria is not among. This is where you're going to get stuck. Now let me show you exactly how you can overcome all of this. There are actually 2 ways you can get your account working effectively without getting banned. First method is having someone in the UK or US or in any supported country where PayPal is supported, and ask them to create an account for you. And the second option is buying a SIM card. Buying UK SIM card. Go to telesiawebsite.com, and you can actually order a SIM card. That is the only way. I will never deceive you. I can actually show you how you can create a PayPal account. It's going to show you that you can withdraw, and it's going to show you that you can receive. But at the end of the day, once you want to withdraw into your bank account, especially maybe your UBA bank account or cheaper account, it's going to your account is going to definitely be banned. And to avoid that, you work so hard to earn the money in that account. And to avoid that, it's just better to go through the first option, or the first 2 options I gave you. That is the best way you can actually get your PayPal accounts effectively without being scared of getting accounts banned. Alright guys, that will be all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you found it very helpful. Have you ever tried opening a PayPal account? Does it work out without using UK or US or supported country number? Let me know in the comment section.